How to split fare with someone on Lyft. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to split the fare, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application. Once you open the app, simply request a ride as usual. Just like this. After your ride is confirmed, look for the share fare or split fare option on the ride details screen. Now select contacts or enter the phone number or email of the person you want to split the fare with. Then the person you invite will receive a notification or message to accept the split fare request. Once accepted, each person pays their share through their own Lyft account. That's it. This is how you can split fare with someone on Lyft. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.